Down, Joe. Pass. Go long, go long, go! to me, he's now the fastest player in Wales. He's now the Turning around there.
It'll be on the floor now. You won't kick it.
Gyhoeddiad bwysig iawn, hoffai bechgyn ysgol Iwan Bydydwyr. The boys of St John's School would like to wish a very, very happy birthday to Mr Sutcliffe. Henryk hapus mawr iawn i Mr Sutcliffe, ysgol Iwan Bydydwyr.
Right, clearly now Barney Delvin. Ends the field on kick-off.
Shoulder kicker, boys.
Out to the field.
Okay, look, it's Luke.
Come on, set, Josh, shoot. The boys got to clear the ball.
The two trolls up here. Waiting for you. Yeah. Why didn't you just start flipping each other?
I want it for the way home.
Yeah, it should, yeah, no, I'll take it. Ah!
Daniel! Five out, boys, enjoy, five out. Here, up! Double pass! Here! Ready, man, got it on! Got it on, up! All right, got it, in there.
Mum, don't. Wait, yeah, hold back, look.
All right, on the box, man.
Did he kick it out?
Right, whenever you lads, tie down the penny box, so aim is the peel or kick. Go on, one set roll, alright? 5 minutes, right, card and peel, tap on each score, you'll take. Right, one!
Mi fydd y gemau nesaf yn dechrau am 20 munud wedi 4. The next game to be starting at 20 past 4. Fydd cwpan blwyddyn 9, Boys Year 9 Cup ar cae 1 o'r pitch 1, Trecelyn yn erbyn Llandeilo. Ar cae 3, cwpan blwyddyn 9, on pitch 3, Boys Year 9 Cup, bydd y Dderwen yn erbyn Llangynwyd. Ar cae 4, bydd cwpan blwyddyn 9, on pitch 4, will be Boys Year 9 Cup, Eglwys Newydd yn erbyn Bryn Teg. Ar cae 5, bydd cwpan blwyddyn 9, on pitch 5, bydd
Right, Johan, Owen, good
blwyddyn
off it.
Ar cae 5, bydd cwpan blwyddyn 9, on pitch 5, will be Boys Year 9 Cup, Bro Gwaun yn erbyn Preseli. Ar cae 7, bydd plant blwyddyn 11, on pitch 7, will be Boys Year 11 Plate, Bro Teifi yn erbyn Preseli.
7 minutes, Josh.
Ar cae 9, bydd cwpan blwyddyn 11, Glan Taf yn erbyn Llandeilo Ferwallt. Ar cae 10, bydd cwpan blwyddyn 11, Ystrelfera yn erbyn Aberdeen. Allwch chi please pwyd eich ffordd i'r ceiau cywir. Can you please make your way to the correct field for a 20 past 4 kick-off? Diolch.
Boys,